Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julie Oliverius, and are you tired of looking tired? Or maybe you want your eyes to look bigger and brighter, but you're just really not sure what you can do? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly what you can do, and it's just one very simple tip that makes it easy. So, we are going to introduce you today to some white eyeliner. If you've never used white eyeliner, it has several uses. A couple things you can do with it. One, cover over your entire eyelid before you apply any type of eyeshadow, because that will provide a brighter base for you and make your eyeshadow color really pop, really stand out more. So that's awesome. You can also apply it all over your lips before you apply your eye color, or your lip color. Does the same type of thing that it does for your eyes. It really makes that lip color stand out. So those are two other ways that you can use a white eyeliner. But for today, what I want to share with you to kind of really brighten up your eyes and make them pop, what you can do with the white eyeliner is place it right on to that water line underneath here. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to do that and what that looks like. So it's not terribly dramatic, but it looks really nice. And what you're doing actually, so notice I'm not putting it down in the eyelashes underneath, it's just going right on to that waterline. See that? So now when you look at the difference here between the one that has the white and the one that doesn't. So just a really cool, easy way to make your eyes look a little bit brighter, a little bit more awake, a little bit bigger. I love this little trick. I haven't done it in a while. The other cool thing about it is that you can actually still pair any other eyeliner color with it down in the lash line like you might normally do. So I just wouldn't suggest doing this if you're trying to create a smoky eye look. That look is meant to make your eyes look a little bit more sultry and, kind of sexy. So what you want to do for that, go ahead and use that darker color on the lower lash line for a smoky eye, but otherwise feel free to use a white eyeliner on there, and then carry your regular color eyeliner down in the lash line if you want. So that's it for today. If you have questions, let me know. I'm happy to help you out. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.